Trading requires you to have different tools on your tool belt. Let me explain. Now, excuse my voice a little bit. I'm sick. It's okay. I'm still going to explain here. So, looking at the chart, we see that over a period of time, obviously, gold has been trending up all the way. Now, we've had perfect opportunities to see this consolidation right here, get in and ride all the way up. And if we would have stayed in, we would have had a perfect profitability all the way up. But what happens when the conditions change? We see trending up, so we know this is good to buy now. But what happens when price changes trend? And we see that price, the structure is changing, the conditions are changing. So we need a different tool on our tool belt, okay? So in a trending market, we might see and look for a break, an indication, a correction, and then continuation to the upside in a trending market. But what happens when the trend changes and we see different things? We might need different tools on our tool belt. So what I placed here was I saw that price rose up here. We had a rally. We had a basing candle at this red candle, and then we had a rally up to the upside. Price did not continue, and this hit a wall of sellers, and also buyers got fearful up here because we are at all-time highs. When we're at all-time highs, a lot of people in the market are going, okay, we don't know how high this is going to go, okay? So with that being said, price sold off. We based out right here, which is an indecisive candle. And this is why it's important to understand candles, because candles are going to tell you more about the story of how people are feeling psychologically about where price is at. So we sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. And really, we open right here, we sell off, sell off, sell off. Now, if we base right here, we know that, price tried to go down, but buyers said, no, we want to keep going up. So you would think buyers are priced in right here and they want to buy more. But sellers came into the market and bought or sold, straight through that and came down and touched this small little consolidation zone, telling me that buyers stepped in, came into the market and brought it right back here. Now, in a trending market where we've consecutively seen buyers come into the market and buy and rally up, we would think that if the trend is going to continue here, you came into the market, bought, and maybe we would see that price would go past this and then go up to all-time highs again and maybe break this structure and break up to make a new high. But no, price came down here, price did not recover. So I'm looking at this like, okay, if I'm thinking like a bank and I want to take somebody's money, where am I going to place an opportunity to sell when others are going to buy? Come right here and say, this looks like sellers are right here. So I see a drop, a base, and then a drop. So I'm going to speculate that sellers are sitting at this level. And when price comes up here, this would be a great opportunity when buyers think that, oh shoot, this is going up again. No, we're going to take their money right here and sell to everybody that's buying, and then we're going to dump. I got to ask myself, where is the next place that price is going to go if sellers sell and they want to sell down? And then where's the next level where price is good to buy for buyers? It's at this place where I see that there are a strong level of buyers that stepped into the market at that particular time and bought up. And this is consolidation right here, or a basing phase, right? Mind you, this is on a higher time frame. We're on a 4-hour time frame right here. So this is accounting for a lot of time. We're looking at a war from a bird's eye view. And these candles represent small little battles if we go down to an hour or 15-minute or a 5-minute, right? So I'm going to speculate that price coming up here, we're going to sell this off. And then price will come down here, we're going to buy it. So sell right here, we're going to sell down here, and then target this area. If price comes down here, we're going to buy in this area, and we're going to target back up here where sellers were, okay? This is all I'm looking at the market. What I'm looking at I'm looking at it all from a psychological standpoint. If I was a big bank and I was big money, and based on what these candles are telling me, now, I do not know what's going to happen next. I do not know if I'm going to be right or wrong.